Hi everybody, it's 11:31 and 7 seconds on Friday, April 20th. This is the drawing for the Amazing Spider-Man 122. Over here are the 12 filled spots. Let's do our 3 dice. Number is 7. I'm just going to say this is most likely the last one for today. I'm a little under the weather today and I actually have real work to do. So, let me get this done. I'm going to try to get it out today, but there's a good chance I might not get it out till Monday. Just want to give everybody the heads up. All right. Good luck to everybody participating. So here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7, spot 12, Barney Stars. Congratulations. The time is now 11:32 and 7 seconds.